We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of HOYUZA RV porch light with dual color white/amber. Consists of the following features. This RV exterior light adopt a new appearance, and the lighting design on both sides provides a wider lighting range and makes better use of light. The RV porch light LED contains 39 dual color lamp beads, and the textured LED lens has good light transmission, which is brighter but not dazzling, helping you through the long night. Dual color RV porch light provide two light sources, white light and amber light. The luminous flux of white light is 1300 lumens, the luminous flux of yellow light is 1000 lumens. In different scenarios, you only need to switch the white or amber light through the switch. Compared with ordinary RV outdoor lights, it is more convenient and allows you to enjoy your RV life better. RV exterior light LED with die-cast aluminum alloy housing, DC 9 to 30 volts, weatherproof, dustproof, shockproof, corrosion-proof, strong and durable, effectively prolong the service life. The gasket provided in the package can protect your RV from being scratched. Replaces most 12 volts RV exterior light, compatible with most RVs, trailers, campers, motorhomes, boats, etc. You can also use it on cabinets and backyard porches. Upgrade your RV with a new exterior design. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.